Prep C, pages 44 and 45, Indians or Ancient Nations, whichever the title is. Today we're only going to focus on the top line of page 45. This is where the left hand has crotchet beats with either the thumb D, 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 or harmonic fifth, G and D, while the right hand has the melody with a pie, apple, pie, pie. Let's look at that melody first, and then we'll figure out how we put that together with the left hand. So we start with 2 on the A key. We have A, another A, B flat, 3, 4 on the C, 2 on the A, and the rhythm is pie, apple, pie, pie. Then the next bar is a melodic fifth, G, D, G, D. The third bar is the same as the first bar, pie, apple, pie, pie. And the last bar is the third finger on the B flat, 3, 1, 1, hold. Let's look at the first 2 bars and then the last 2 bars. I count and we play together. Start with 2 on the A. 1, 2, and ready, go. Pie, apple, pie, 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 pie. Then the next 2 bars start with the 2 on the A again. Ready, here we go. Pie, apple, pie, 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 2 counts. Let's do bars 3 and 4 one more time because that's different than bars 1 and 2. Again, start with the 2 on the A. 1, 2, and ready, go. A, B flat, C, A, B flat, G, G, hold. Now I'll say the rhythm. One more time, bars 3 and 4. 1, 2, and ready, go. Pie, apple, pie, 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 2 counts. Now I'll say the finger numbers for those 2 bars. Bars 3 and 4, one more time. 1, 2, ready, go. 2, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 1, 1, hold. Now let's do the whole line, just with the right hand. Start with finger 2. Underneath where the forte mark is, I count and we play together. Ready? 1, 2, and ready, go. Pie, apple, pie, 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 apple, pie, 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 2 counts. One more time for that line, just the right hand. Start with 2 on the A space. I count and we play together. 1, 2, and ready, go. Pie, apple, pie, 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 apple, pie, 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 2 counts. Really well done with that. Pardon me. Let's try doing the left hand by itself. We've got a whole bar of nothing but D's and then a whole bar of nothing but fifths. I count and we play together. Thumb on the D. 1, 2, ready, go. Pie, 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 pie. Got it? Those are the crotchet beats. When we put the crotchet beats together with pairs of quavers, the crotchet beat and the first quaver is what happens at the same time. So the first magic circle, the right hand has A, the left hand has D. The second magic circle is exactly the same. The right hand has an A quaver, the left hand has a thumb on the D crotchet. The third magic circle is with the right hand 4 on the C space and the left hand 1 again on the D. The fourth magic circle is the second finger A crotchet and the thumb on the D again. So let's go through those 4 magic circles. Magic circle 1, magic circle 2, magic circle 3, magic circle 4. The tricky spot is when you have to put that third finger on the B flat in between magic circle number 2 and magic circle number 3. That's going to look like this. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. If I kept a really slow beat, 1, 2, here we go. 2, 2, 3, 4, 2. Let's do that again. Pardon me. So let's keep that thumb beat. 1, 2, here we go. 2, 2, 3, 4, 2. Really good job with that. One more time. 1, 2, ready, go. 2, 2, 3, 4, 2. Now we're going to do the first bar and the second bar. Only the first 2 bars. I count and we play together. Ready? 1, 2, and ready, go. 2, 2, 3, 4, 2, 1, 5, 1, 5. Let's put those 2 bars together one more time. I count and we play. 1, 2, and ready, go. Pie, apple, pie, 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 pie. One more time. 1, 2, and ready, go. Okay, now let's look at bar number 3. Look at that. It's the same as bar number 1 in that line. That's easy peasy. Let's do it. 1, 2, and ready, go. But the last bar is different. We've got a B flat to start, B flat with the harmonic 5th, and then we've got a G crotchet with the harmonic 5th, and we've got a G minim with the harmonic 5th, and you're going to hold that G minim while the left hand plays the crotchet. So we've got magic circle, magic circle, magic circle, hold the right, and the left harmonic 5th. So if we put bars 3 and 4 together, we start with the A, second finger right hand, with the thumb on the D, left hand, bar number 3. I count and we play together. Ready? 1, 2, and ready, go. Pie, apple, pie, 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 pie. 2 counts. I'm going to say the finger numbers this time, starting with finger 2, right hand. 1, 2, ready, go. 2, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 1, 1, hold. Let's do that again. Right hand 2 on the A, left hand thumb on the D. 1, 2, and ready, go. 2, let's try the whole line with just those 4 bars and both hands together, super slow, and I'm going to say the finger numbers for the right hand. So we start with 2 in the right hand on the A, we start with 1 in the left hand on the D, I count and we play together. Ready? 1, 2, and ready, go. 2, 2, 3, 4, 2, 1, 5, 1, 5, 2, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 1, 1, repeat. 2, 2, 3, 4, 2, 1, 5, 1, 5, 2, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 1, 1, hold. Let's do that again, but a little bit quicker this time, like this. Pie, apple, pie, pie. 1, 2, ready, go. Pie, apple, pie, 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 apple, pie, 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 pie. 2 counts, repeat. Pie, apple, pie, 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 apple, pie, 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 pie. 2 counts. Let's repeat that one more time with the repeat, but a little bit quicker this time, like this. Pie, apple, pie, pie. 1 and 2 and ready, go. Pie, apple, pie, 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 pie. 2, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 1, 1, repeat. 2, 2, 3, 4, 2, 1, 5, 1, 5. 2, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 1, 1, hold. Let's try it one more time, this time a little bit quicker, like this. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, ready, go. 2, 2, 3, 4, 2, 1, 5, 1, 5. 2, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 1, 1, hold. 2, 2, 3, 4, 2, 1, 5, 1, 5. 2, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 1, 1, hold. Now, let's see if we can fit that speed to the entire song, like this. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Apple pie, ready, go. Apple pie, apple pie, apple pie, apple pie. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, repeat. Apple pie, apple pie, apple pie, apple pie. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Pie, apple pie, pie. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pie, apple pie, 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 pie. 2 counts. 2, 2, 3, 4, 2, 1, 5, 1, 5. 2, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 1, 1, hold. Apple pie, apple pie, apple pie, apple pie. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Apple pie, apple pie, apple pie, apple pie. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Well done. Good work today.